Shearing is a force that pushes a massive rock in two opposite directions. It's like when you take two books, put them together, bind to bind, and slide them one forward and one back. The Earth's crust is made up from many pieces called plates. These pieces are constantly moving but very slowly. A fault is just a break in Earth's crust, where slabs of crust slip past each other. There are many types of faults: a strike-slip fault, a normal fault, a reverse fault, and accessories: a hanging wall and a footwall. Compression is the opposite of tension. Tension pulls a rock apart, while compression squeezes the rock together until it folds or just plain breaks. Like when you put a paper on a desk, you push the two sides to make the two sides touch each other. Soon the middle of the paper will pop up. That is what happens when compression happens. The stress force that stretches a rock is tension. It is just like stretching bubblegum. Tension only happens when two plates are moving apart from each other. Deformation is just any change in shape or volume of Earth's crust. It is like ripping a paper in half to change its shape or volume. Earthquakes form when rocks just move around under Earth's surface. That is how earthquakes form and what they cause. From a J-Ramfo. Goodbye.